create GIF as your wallpaper. First of all, you will need a GIF. If you don't know how to download one, I have made a separate video on it. Go check it out, link will be in the description. After that, open Play Store and search GIF Live Wallpaper. Then select the first app and install it. Now open the app and allow to access. Now select the GIF you want to set as wallpaper. Zoom it to set it full screen. There are many options to adjust your GIF. You can change size, change motion and many more. Now save it by pressing on that down arrow like button and just press on set wallpaper. Select whether you wanna keep it as your home screen or both lock screen and home screen. And tada, it worked. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if this tutorial worked. Sending you all lots of love.